Okay, it is January 16th, 2019. Again, we're working with the scheduler version 1.14, and this is test number 2. And in this test, I have a whole batch of data here, but there are a lot of duplicates. It's just that the very first line is not a duplicate, but the next lines are. South Florida Water Management, again, there's a single and then several more duplicates. We're going to do a test to see if this imports correctly. And actually, I believe it will. I've already got this set up, so I'm just going to close this file out and do the update. Okay. As one can see now, everything updated correctly. Well, not quite correctly. Yes, no, it is correctly. Willamette Durf Lake is on top, then the multiple South Floridas, the Tulsa, Dayton, and Vasari, Virginia Tech, etc., etc. So that all came in correctly, just like it should. All right. Next test will be test 3, and I will change the data here to reflect. Okay, this is test number 3, and in this situation we're going to start off with the data that we just imported in test number 2, and I have gone through and taken the source data and eliminated the duplicates but left the base file. So in other words, we still have a Willamette Durf Lake. There was only one of those. Now with South Florida Management, I've only kept the topmost file, and I've gotten rid of all of the others in this file. We have Tulsa, Tube Bending, Dayton. They were single files, but on Vasari Yachts, I've kept the upper file, in Virginia Tech, and kept the upper file in Sage Hill. So you can see here that we've gotten rid of it. And this would be a situation where we would have deleted some line items off of the original order. Let's see what happens when we do an update. So we're going to update, this is test data number 3. We'll go into the update tab here, go to test data number 3, and we shall do the update. Well, as you can see, none of the files that should have been deleted were deleted. This is exactly the same as before. The order is a little bit different. Willamette Durf Lake's down here, but there are still 3 Virginia Techs, 2 Sage Hills, 2 Vasaris, and all of the South Floridas are still there. And those should have disappeared. Now, mind you, these all have, the South Floridas all have the same order number because they're on the same order. The same thing with the Sage Hills. They have the same order number, not the same as South Florida. And, of course, Virginia Tech has all the same order number, but not the same as the other ones.